dito nanggagaling ang kakaibang enerhiyang sinasabi ko sa inyo, Prinsipe Santos.
General Draco, umpisahan ang pag-atake!
Red alert.
Nakaisa sa atin ng voltage team.
Nice! Sino na direct hit sa inyo sa cap?
Not me.
Hindi rin ako.
Lalo na ako.
Kung hindi isa sa atin, kayo galing yun.
Wait.
Medical team, report to Deck 1.
It didn't come from them.
Brazilian energy signature confirmed.
The Brazilians are back!
All crew to battle station.
Battle stations, everyone!
Aye, aye, sir. CBF defense protocol activated.
Tactical station reports ready.
Engineering station ready. Medical and life support reports ready.
Command. Alert. Intruder alert.
It's a beast fighter!
Beast fighter? Na naman? Talagang tinaon nila na nagtitraining tayo.
Just hold on, Commander Robinson. Kami na ang bahala.
Guys, this is it. This is the real thing, okay? Roger!
Not a drill. Abort training.
Richard, you have the control. I'm flying back to EDF headquarters.
Godspeed, Oscar.
Chief Kelly, once I'm out, raise the shields.
Aye, aye, sir.
Team, get ready for the real battle. Let's go. Huwag niyo siyang ngaya makalapit sa camp. And don't give him a chance to retaliate. Roger! Roger!
Commander Robinson's helicopter is clear from base. Activating shields.
Boomerang!
Bomber missile!
Badger missile!
Lander missile! Frigate missile!
Whoa! Watch out! Mark, quick left!
Isumbaka ka ngayon.
Yabang naman ang kalabaw na to.
Nakatayo pa rin siya. Parang hindi siya tinablan.
Di man lang siya tinablan sa mga missile natin, ha?
Nakakatakot. At hindi ang kalaban natin.
I can't believe this. Kahit anong gawin ng Voltes 5, parang hindi apektado ang Beast Fighter.
Outgoing flights for
Nagandaan talaga tayo. Alam nila kung saan ang location natin.
Commander Robinson, anong nangyayari?
Marianne, I can barely hear you. Wala na ako sa CBF. Hello, Marianne?
Commander Robinson! Hello?
Patch me to Camp Ibaba.
Copy, sir.
Yes, Commander.
Does anyone see Marianne? She was trying to call me kaya lang nakat yung line. Sigurado ako nag-worry na yun sa mga anak niya.
Sergeant Major.
Sir,
Locate Dr. Marion Armstrong now.
Copy that, sir. Protect the camp at all costs. Team, attack!
Incoming! Evasive maneuvers!
Ano? Papatalo na lang pa tayo sa kanya?
Leave it to me. Bomber ring!
He's too strong! Hindi ko siya matrip!
Kailangan natin tulungan ng Voltes team.
I agree.
Chief, arm Hawk missiles.
Arm!
On my signal.
Engage! Full attack!
Launch!
Missiles away!
Let's finish him!